Hi, welcome to a new week. I'm Kirsten, and today I'm going to talk about the things you have to watch out for when you are writing about real people. A question that is asked a lot is whether you need somebody's permission in order to write about them. Generally speaking, the answer is no. But there are three big things that you should be aware of: defamation, privacy, and misappropriation of the right of publicity. Each of these is fairly extensive, so we'll go over them one at a time. Today, we'll focus on defamation. Defamation laws vary depending on where you are, and if you are concerned about this, please seek the advice of a legal professional. What I say here absolutely does not replace the advice of a lawyer. With that little disclaimer out of the way, we'll continue. Now, many people think defamation is simply the act of saying something negative about someone, but that's just one element of it. In Canada, someone who is filing a defamation suit has to prove three things. One, was the claimant's reputation substantially damaged in the eyes of a reasonable person? The damage to their reputation has to have a substantial effect on their life. Usually this is measured by financial loss. Two, does the defamatory material refer to the claimant? Even if the material does not mention them by name, there could be a problem if there are enough references that would enable a reasonable observer to know who is being referred to. And three, was the material published for the eyes of someone other than the claimant? So a private email correspondence between you and the claimant wouldn't count. But if you forward that email to at least one other person, it's a whole different story. In most Canadian jurisdictions, truth is an absolute defense. So it doesn't matter how badly the claimant's reputation suffered. If you can prove that what you wrote is substantially true, you're off the hook. This doesn't automatically apply everywhere though, so again, consult a local lawyer to be sure. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.